Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why I think crypto is quite honestly one of the biggest and best financial opportunities that I've ever seen in my life. I am 55 years old. I am one of the older guys in crypto. Most of the people that I know in my age group are not in crypto. They know what Bitcoin is, but they don't quite understand it. They're like, nah, I don't think I want to do that, all that kind of stuff. And so my point of bringing up my age in the context of this video is to kind of give you some perspective that I have been around the block a few times. Been investing in stocks for 35 or more plus years, 401k, individual stock investing and all that. And I've done well. I've done fine with that. But here's the thing. Stocks never got my attention. I was never real passionate about them. I was never really excited about stock investing. And I invested in Google and Yahoo and their IPOs. Yes, that's how old I am. I was there when Google IPO'd and when Yahoo IPO'd. And so I'm only saying that to give you some perspective in that when I say to you that I really believe fundamentally that crypto is one of the single biggest opportunities of our lifetime, and I'm going to tell you why here in a minute, that I hopefully you give me a few more minutes of your time, okay? Because here's the thing, I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not pitching anything. You're here early watching this crypto, content because you're here early, and that's actually a key thing. Okay, so here's why I think crypto is fundamentally one of the biggest opportunities we have. Is that right now crypto is tiny as from a market capitalization standpoint, how much money is in it, institutional money as well as retail investment dollars, like you and I are retail, but I'm talking about institutional. There is literally not a lot. It is small. Bitcoin's market capitalization is 1.5 trillion or whatever it is right now, give or take in that ballpark. Ethereum, all that kind of stuff. It's small. And there's even discussion out there that Bitcoin could one day eclipse gold's market capitalization, which I believe is 14 trillion. Yeah, so that's how big crypto and Bitcoin and all of these major assets can be. But here comes the why I think this is one of the biggest opportunities. Number one, notice the theme of what I've been saying. Small, early, right? Crypto in and of itself has not been discovered by the masses yet. It has not been discovered by the majority of people out there who can and will be investing in it. And I'm talking about institutional dollars as well as retail dollars. What does that mean? You're here early, you buy these assets, whatever they may be, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, meme coins, whatever. It doesn't really matter as far as the context of what I'm talking about. But by the way, have a good diversified investing strategy, not investing advice, videos for entertainment purposes only. But you can do well with just a buy and hold, buy today and do well over time. There will be a day when you'll look back and go, I bought Bitcoin at $58,000. Somebody will look at you and go, that was amazing, because Bitcoin would be trading at $1 million or something of that nature, right? But what I really want you to get from this is that you're here early, and because the vast majority of capital, money, from both the institutional investing side as well as retail dollar size has not arrived yet. And just by being early and just adapting a buy and hold mentality, buy those assets, lock away the key, don't mess with them. Over time, they're going to go up in value. Okay. Beyond that, there is leaning onto that institutional side, right? There's all this institutional money that's locked up, so to speak, that's waiting to come into crypto. And you saw it with the Bitcoin ETF. You saw the excitement around that, and you saw people putting billions of dollars into it. And there's this whole sales mechanism and financial flow mechanism in the large traditional financial houses out there, right? The Merrill Lynches of the world and all of the Fidelities of the world. And they will ultimately be offering crypto related products. You'll look up one day and you'll see various different types of crypto, for lack of a better way to say it, crypto mutual funds that'll be offered from these large companies, very similar to how they do stock mutual funds. In one form or fashion, you'll see that. And it will just be the continuation of the narrative of what I've been talking about, of you're here early, and as crypto becomes more mainstream and adapted into our world, which will happen in the next 2, 3, 5, 10, 20 years, it will become just commonplace. And by being here early, by adopting this strategy and taking advantage of buying in these assets, all of these major assets early, and staying in them, and having a plan, knowing what your cost is, knowing what your profit plan is, not letting emotional fear-based selling run you out of the opportunity, you'll be fine. Right now, crypto's volatile, right? Crypto moves up and down much faster than stocks and mutual funds. And therein lies the issue. If you're not okay with that, it can be a hard asset to buy and to hold. You have to be okay with the roller coaster that is crypto. So kind of wanted to give you that side as well. But there's more factors, but I want to keep this video kind of short. We're over 5 minutes now. So hopefully you enjoy this video, but that's why I'm here. I see it, I get it. I think that crypto is early, right? And it's just going to go up. And there's a lot of other things that I could talk about, but I want to keep it easy for you to kind of digest and give some thoughts to. Drop in the comments. Let me know if you have any thoughts about it. Please hit that like and subscribe. And thanks for giving me a few minutes. I'll see you. Bye.